In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to open Settings, then find and select Display, and click on Wallpaper. Here you can either pick one from Photos or Wallpapers. It's up to you, whichever album you would like to open and from which you would like to choose your wallpaper. You can go to your Photos, and then you can decide which picture you want to cover your screen with, and let me pick, for example, this one. Then just click on Set Wallpaper and select Home Screen or Lock Screen. You can also choose both of them. Okay, so it hasn't been applied. I think maybe I chose Lock Screen. Yeah, so here it is. So we've just changed the lock screen photo, and we can do the same thing with Home Screen. Just open Wallpapers and pick the picture that you would like to cover your screen with, and then just pick Home Screen. And as you can see from now on, this picture is covering your home screen, and this firstly chosen is on your lock screen. Here it is. So this is it. This is how you can change your wallpaper and also lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.